name's Dai-Shihan Jason Steves, and today we're going to go over the EAR sounds. Ear. Remember, it's not about how it's spelled, it's about how it appears on the lips. Ear words, such as ear, go figure. But any word that has the sound on the lips, right? Or the look, I mean, not the sound. Okay, so I'm going to read out some words, give this a try to see how you go. Here. Freer. Volunteer. Eerily. Air, as in to air. What's that old saying there? To err is human, but forgiveness is divine. Air, yes, it's not quite here, but it's very similar, so I threw that one in there. How about this one? Rear. Japanese term, martial arts. Boryaku. Ryaku. That's similar sound there. Famous person. An actor. Richard Gere. Steer. Prayer. Skier. Deer. Fear. Here. Jeer. A rich person may use this for transportation. Learjet. You might find these animals in Africa. Meerkat. Near. Peerless. Queer. Rear-ended. Senior. Tearjerker. Okay, try mixing these up. I'm going to give you a couple pairs of words, and you're going to tell me which one I'm actually mouthing. First two are appear or appall. Ready? Appear. Nuclear or gloomier. Ready? Nuclear. Linear or lonelier. Ready? Lonelier. Disappearances or reappearances. Reappearances. Sheep shearer or sleep terror. Sheep shearer. Last one. Clearance or adherence. Adherence, yes. As always, practice these in a mirror with a friend with a camera. A friend would be best. Do it as often as you want. You can go back, do this lesson over again, jump back and forth, and when you're ready, go to the next lesson. Good luck.